Chicken Mandi is a traditional Arabic rice dish made with perfectly seasoned chicken, fragrant basmati rice, and a special Mandi spice blend that gives it a unique, smoky aroma. This recipe shows you step by step how to make authentic chicken Mandi at home. Simple, flavourful, and absolutely delicious. In this video, you'll learn how to prepare homemade Mandi, spice mix, the secret to perfectly cooked, juicy chicken, how to get the authentic, smoky Mandi flavour, easy tips for serving and garnishing like a pro. Cook for you spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Chicken Mandi. This Chicken Mandi recipe is perfect for family dinners, festive occasions, or weekend feasts. Watch now and make your own Arabic Chicken Mandi at home. Step 1. Making Mandi masala, or you can also use a ready-made Mandi masala. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, ½ teaspoon peppercorns, 3 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon and 5 green cardamoms, 1 bulk cardamom, 1 star anise and 1 small piece of nutmeg, ½ teaspoon cloves, 1 dried black lemon, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Dry, roast well. Add roasted spices in a mixer jar. One teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 pinches of salt, ¼ teaspoon mace powder, ½ teaspoon ginger powder, ½ teaspoon fennel powder, 2 pinches saffron colour, 9 to 10 saffron strands. Blend it in a powder form. Aromatic fresh Mandi masala is ready. Step 2. Chicken marination. 1 whole chicken, with or without skin and gashes on chicken. Add 3 tablespoons fresh Mandi masala, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons oil. You can add salt here. Rub evenly. Salt to taste. Rub evenly. Tie the chicken legs with thread. Marinate for 3 hours or overnight. Step 3. Preparing dakous, chutney. Take 2 tomatoes, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 3 to 4 green chilies, or as per taste, 2 tablespoons coriander leaves, ¼ teaspoon black pepper powder, ¼ teaspoon cumin powder, ¼ teaspoon coriander powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Grind it. Dakous Mandi chutney is ready. Step 4. Preparing Mandi rice. Take 2 tablespoons oil, 2 chopped onions, fry till translucent. Add whole spices mentioned on the screen. 2 green chilies chopped. Step 5. Add veggies, or you can skip this step. 2 big green chilies, 1 chopped tomato, ½ capsicum chopped, 1/2 cup grated carrots. Sauté well. Add salt to taste. Add remaining mandi masala, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. You can also add raisins here. Add some water. Add 500 grams soaked washed basmati rice. Turn off the flame if you want to cook in the oven. Mix well. Add water as per rice. Add 1 tablespoon oil. Roast 1/4 cup raisins for 1 minute on low heat. Then roast 15 soaked peeled almonds. Add fried raisins into the rice. Now, place the steam rack or pizza tray. Now put chicken on it. If you want to cook on gas, then put chicken in steamer and cook for 30 to 40 minutes. Then remove the chicken and use the same chicken stock to cook rice. Step 5. Baking in a preheated oven cook on 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Place the chicken on rice. Give it a nice cold smoke for 5 minutes. Aromatic Saudi-style chicken mandi is ready to serve. Serve with salad, dakous chutney, and fried nuts. Remove the coal. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Experience the authentic taste of Arabic chicken mandi, smoky, flavourful rice with tender, juicy chicken and rich Middle Eastern spices. Perfect for lunch, dinner or any special occasion. Try this easy mandi recipe and bring a restaurant-style flavour home. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.